Hello you all, how are you? Today I want to make a short tutorial to show you how to reset the flashing spanner indicator. All type of Royal Enfield motorcycle, the classic, the Meteor and the Super Meteor. You see here the flashing you see here the flashing spanner. Okay, first of all you need to change the odometer to trip B. Okay, and you do it with this I button. Press 1, press 2, trip B. Okay? Okay. While it's on trip B, you need to press the I button for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While pressing the button, don't release the button. You need to turn the switch to off. Okay, you see, I turned the switch to off. Now you need to wait 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, after 30 seconds you need to switch the key again and don't release the button. Okay, I switched the key again and now I need to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more, and then you see the spanner is gone. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you on the next time. Bye.